Safety. Sometimes we don't know what we don't know. That's why the IICRC's HST class held at Reets Drying Academy on August 25th and 26th is so critically important. You'll learn the things necessary through OSHA to keep your company compliant with laws, but more importantly, just the basic necessities for keeping your people safe on the job site, and your company will ultimately be more profitable because of it. Now, a lot of people might think, isn't this stuff pretty self-explanatory, or isn't this common sense? Well, if it was, they wouldn't have to put instructions on the back of a silica packet to not eat them. You get the gist of it. Anyway, we look forward to seeing you on August the 25th and 26th at Reets Drying Academy. And always remember, safety first. But dad jokes, always. Look forward to seeing you then.